गडरिए का था ताल, बड़ी बुरी थी उसकी चाल। बकरी चराने जंगल जाता, झूठ मूठ का चिल्लाता।
Janmadhyam, started in 1982 in New Delhi, is a unique initiative for social inclusion of the disabled youth among poor.
Initially, we were very worried that the villagers will call us, school for mad girls, because half the girls were mentally handicapped. But it didn't happen. And inclusion happened naturally. Of course, we had to work out lots of educational tools and media modules to encourage girls to accept and adopt this model.
Its several programs are centered in creative skills. Janmadhyam firmly believes that art and communication can encourage and instill self-confidence in people who suffer from mental and other disadvantages. The transformations in the disabled individuals result in their getting linked with the outside world. Their products are sold through a cooperative run by them. Non-disabled poor youths are also encouraged to acquire skills and have their own ventures developed. It arranges for speech therapy to hearing impaired children.
और इसका वाक्य बनाओ। ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये मिलाई सही है, ये सही मैच के, लेकिन क्या है? क्या बोलते हैं? करेला। करेला। Good.
Under its Annapurna scheme, the disabled are taught to prepare food. The food is delivered to restaurants in nearby areas. Acceptance of their food by outside communities indicates in more ways than one that they too are accepted in the larger social dynamics. Teachers of Janmadhyam under Vistas or expansion programs visit public schools and train them with multimedia tools to empower their learning abilities. Periodic meetings with parents of the disabled receiving the attention help Janmadhyam to gauge the improvement level of each person.
मेरे बच्चे यहाँ 6-7 महीना से पढ़ने आते हैं और इस बारे में मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे थोड़ा आगे वो करें और अपने हाथ पाँव पे खड़े हों। हमारे बहुत चिंता है उन बच्चों के, और हमारे 3 बच्चे ऐसे हैं, उनको सुनने में ज़्यादा वो है, दिक्कत है, और बोलने में भी दिक्कत है। जी, यहाँ आने के बाद मेरे बच्चों का बहुत सुधार हुआ है, बोलने में और हर चीज़ में सुधार हुआ, पढ़ने लिखने में भी सुधार हुआ है।
We focus on abilities of the disabled person, and we believe whatever level the person ability of the person is, it can be utilized and the person can be trained in one direction. When a person comes to us firstly and the parent cries and all whatever, okay, like this person is disabled, we don't know the disability, she is not like this. We just change the scene. We want to ask from the parent what the person can do. We start from there and we just try to do the need assessment then of the person, and on the based on the need assessment we make individualized education plans for each and every person, and then working in an inclusive group, focusing on the individual, we try to take the individual from one milestone to the other.
For those children who are severely disabled, the teachers visit them at their homes and individually impart special training.
जीता प्याज, प्याज बताओ इसमें कहाँ है प्याज? हाँ, वेरी गुड, जीता बहुत अच्छी है।
Janmadhyam looks into the needs of disabled persons for a productive and dignified living through creation of an all-round awareness and participation of the community.
One of the program officers came to visit us and she brought along a friend with her called Seema. Now this lady came here and she was so happy to see this program. She contacted us when she went back to America and she said, this lady was Seema Chetal. She said, we'd like to support you, would you like us to support you? And that's how we got to know about Vibha. And since then they have been giving us a lot of support and they have very wonderful young people who visit us.